Hey everybody, we're here at Anchor Farms. This is Clyde Ledgerwood feeding the fish this morning, Saturday morning. They get fed how many times a day, Clyde?
3 times.
3 times a day. It's pretty cold outside. It's about 35 degrees. In here we've probably got about 75, 76 degrees. He has 6 tanks. Each one's about 650 gallons. Each tank will hold about 275 tilapia. This is an aquaponics system. And from the fish tanks, the water goes into what's called a clarifier tank here. This is where the solids are separated. The heavy solids stay to the right side. Then they percolate over to here. From there it goes into what's called a media tank. Media tank is, we put a biomass inside, and there's nitropine bacteria, 2 types of bacteria, which help break down the solids, break down the ammonia, turn it into nitrate or nitrite. And from here it goes into another tank, another biomedia. From there it goes into an aerator tank, which has more biomedia, little bio barrels they call them, which has tremendous surface area for the bacteria to grow on. And that tank bubbles air up and off and produces oxygen and carbon monoxide, which allows the system in here, the inside the greenhouse, to have the appropriate O2 and for the plants to grow. Then from here we go into distribution tank. This distribution tank will send the water by gravity out to the raft beds. And what happens is the water we send to the far side over there, it'll run down to the back, switches over and comes into the back of this tank, and then comes back on up to this point here. The water then pulls out of there, flows over to this tank here, which is a return distribution tank. From there we'll go through a small heater, and then gets pumped back into our fish tanks over there. You can see the water coming in the back.